In a busy world, full of wanting more but giving less, where customer service is becoming almost impossible to find, there is one automotive company that dares to challenge this.
People talk about tomorrow like they know which way to go.
A company that prides itself on service first.
Like the path that they follow.
Not just in the Bay,
Ain't no wild and twisted road.
but in changing the lives of the community it serves.
Lately it seems I don't know where to go.
A company that was founded on one singular purpose,
Won't you bring me an angel?
the golden rule, which is to treat others
Make
as we would like
me a
others
miracle.
to treat us.
Bring me an angel.
Because it's not just about how far ahead we get. It's more about how many lives we can change along the way. You see, for us, whether it's an oil change or helping a soldier, donating food or parking your car, fixing a flat, or helping your neighbors move in, or just giving away a pair of shoes, we strive to make every person we come in touch with feel better for having come in touch with us.
I hear words like don't worry.
It is our passion for people, our collective creativity, and our unwavering integrity that unifies us.
But I found the past ain't in a hurry.
We firmly believe that we are greater than the sum of all of our parts, that we are a stronger union together than apart.
It seems I can't forget. Sometimes it's so hard to breathe. Won't you bring me an angel? Go on quick. Make me a miracle I could use.
So, if we can build a stronger culture, we can build a stronger community. And if we can build a stronger community, then together, we can build a stronger world. WLR Automotive Group, serving the community for over 30 years, changing lives, one neighbor at a time.